Hi students, we are going to study partial fractions today. Partial fractions. Before going to the chapter, let us know about the polynomials. A0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus so on. An is a polynomial in x. Generally it is denoted by p of x. If p of x is equal to an, we call it as a constant polynomial. And p of x is equal to ax plus b, we call it as a linear expression or polynomial. P of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial of degree 2. So we know about the polynomials. In earlier classes we learned about the polynomials. So what is the use of polynomials means, in order to define partial fractions we need the polynomials. So you must know about the polynomials. Polynomials in general, it is denoted by a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1, a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus so on an. If it is a constant of degree 0, means degree is 0, then it is called as a constant polynomial. If degree is 1, it is called as a linear polynomial. If degree is 2, we call it as a quadratic expression or the polynomial of degree 2. Right? And, what is meant by a fraction? Any number which is expressed in the form of a by b, we call it as a fraction. Here we need a rational fraction. What is meant by rational fraction? Rational fraction means if f of x and g of x are any two functions, that means polynomials, f of x by g of x is called f of x by g of x, where f of x and g of x are polynomials, then it is called rational fraction. Rational fraction. Since it is in the form of f of x by g of x, f of x and g of x are polynomials, it is called as a rational fraction or a function also. It is also called as rational fraction or rational function. So can you give an example for this rational fraction? Right? If I consider f of x by g of x, as 2x plus 3 by 4x plus 5. Its degree is 1, therefore let's say two linear fractions, two linear polynomials, and the ratio we call it as a rational function. Rational function or rational fraction. Another example is 2x by x plus 1 into x minus 1. Another example, x cubed by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Another example, x power 4 by x square plus x plus 1 into, we can write into x minus 1 also. Look into the fractions here. Linear fraction by linear fraction. It can be further divided into 2x by 4x plus 5 plus 3 by 4x plus 5. This degree is same. Here the degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 2. Here the degree of numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here degree of the numerator is 4, degree of denominator is 3. So depending on the degree of numerator and denominator, that is the degree of f of x and g of x, the rational fraction is further divided into two types. One is called as a proper fraction, the other one as an improper fraction. So what is meant by proper fraction first of all? What is meant by proper fraction? So what is a proper fraction? Proper fraction means f of x by g of x. F of x by g of x is said to be proper fraction if and only if f of x or a degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. Is it clear? Proper fraction means f of x by g of x is said to be a proper fraction if and only if degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. Now, shall I give an example for this? Degree of f of x I consider as 1. Degree of g of x as x minus 2, 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5. Look here, degree of f of x. Degree is 1. Numerator degree is 1. What is the degree of denominator? 1, 1, 1. If you multiply, you will get into 2x square into 3x, that is 6x cube. So degree is 3. So if degree of f of x is less than the degree of g of x, then the fraction is called a proper fraction. Next, what is meant by improper fraction? Improper fraction. What is meant by improper fraction? F of x by g of x is said to be improper fraction if degree of f of x is greater than or equal to degree of g of x. If the degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x, or degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x, then the fraction is called as improper fraction. Give an example. First example, see that they have equal degree. There is 2x square plus x plus 1. Numerator degree is 2. What is the degree of denominator? 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 2. Degree of denominator is 2. Degree of numerator, that is degree of f of x is 2, degree of g of x is 2. Therefore, it is improper fraction. Similarly, we give an example for the improper fraction again. X cubed by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Degree of f of x is 3. Degree of g of x is 2. Degree of f of x is greater than the degree of g of x. Therefore, it is also improper fraction. Degree of f of x is less than the degree of g of x, then it is called a proper fraction. Degree of f of x is greater than or equal to. Here it is equal to, here it is greater than. If it is so, then the fraction is called as a improper fraction. Is it clear? Right? Before going to define partial fractions, we need some other examples. We must know some other quantities or terms. That is, what is a reducible polynomial? Reducible polynomial. What is a reducible polynomial? You know very well what is meant by reducible polynomial or irreducible polynomial. What is meant by reducible and or irreducible polynomial? Reducible, the meaning lies inside it itself. Irreducible. X square minus 1 is the term. This is a polynomial of degree 2. here this can be, it is identically equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1, isn't it? So what type of polynomial it is? X square minus 1 is a reducible polynomial. What about the x minus 1? One of the factor in x square minus 1, that is x minus 1. X minus 1 is irreducible. X plus 1 is also a reducible polynomial. Reducible and irreducible polynomial. So what is meant by reducible polynomial? What is meant by irreducible polynomial? A polynomial which cannot be further factorized to polynomials of degree less than the degree of the given polynomial. A polynomial which cannot be further factorized to polynomials of degree less than the degree of the given polynomial, then those polynomials are called irreducible polynomial, or else they are called as a reducible polynomial. A polynomial is given, it cannot be further factorized into polynomials of degree less than the given polynomial, then the polynomials are called as irreducible. Already I have given an example, x square minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1, they are said to be reducible polynomials. So, is it clear? So, x minus 1, it is irreducible polynomial. What is x square plus x plus 1? It is also irreducible polynomial. X square minus 4, there is a reducible polynomial. Right? Is it clear? So there is a what is meant by reducible polynomial and what is meant by irreducible polynomial. These things we must have an idea about this. Right? We must have a division method, division rule. What is division rule? F of x, suppose 25 when it is divided with 4, 25 when it is divided with 4, 4 6 are 24, we get 1. So 25 when it is divided by 4, it can be written as 6 plus 1 by 4. 25 when it is divided by 4, it can be written as 25 by 4 can be written as 6 plus 1 by 4. We call it as a remainder theorem, isn't it? So dividend by divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder by divisor. So if